In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Asana the only way. Navigating Asana's interface can be a bit overwhelming at times, especially when you're looking to make significant changes like deleting a workspace. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this process step by step. First things first, let's head over to Asana. Open your preferred web browser and log into your Asana account. If you're not yet signed in, enter your credentials and hit that login button. You should now see your dashboard, which is the starting point for making any changes. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. What you're looking for is your profile icon. It's usually a small circle featuring either your image or your initials. Click on this profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is crucial because it's your gateway to making personal and account-related changes. From this drop-down, you need to click on the option labeled Settings. This will open a new window or a pop-up displaying various tabs. These settings are where you'll find options tailored to your account's preferences and security. Next, within these settings, find and click on the tab marked Account. This section houses all the settings specifically related to your profile and activity within Asana. Different options related to your account visibility and connected apps will be displayed here. Now, the step you've been waiting for. Look for a button or a link that says Remove me from this workspace. This is Asana's way of offering you the option to exit the workspace you're currently in, effectively removing your association with it. Clicking this will trigger a confirmation prompt. Asana wants to make sure you really want to leave, so be certain before proceeding, as this action can affect your access to the shared projects and conversations within that workspace. Once you've confirmed your decision to leave the workspace, Asana will process this, and you'll find yourself no longer associated with it. Remember, leaving a workspace does not delete the workspace itself, but simply removes your access from it. That's it! You've now successfully dissociated yourself from a workspace in Asana. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks to streamline your Asana experience. Thank you for watching and have an efficient and productive day.